Sudipta Dash. I'm an XLRI graduate, a fitness and nutrition coach, a martial art practitioner, and I'm here because I got the crown of Mrs. India 2025 runner-up category. So the whole purpose of the whole title, Beauty with Purpose, I want to spread the awareness about the fitness, wellness, women empowerment. I want to show that world that women are unstoppable. They can do anything and everything without giving up their goal, being consistency, they can achieve anything. Thank you. मेरा नाम सुदीप्ता दास है। मैं एक्सेलआरआई ग्रेजुएट हूँ। मैं एक फिटनेस एंड न्यूट्रिशन कंसल्टेंट हूँ। मैं एक मार्शल आर्ट प्रैक्टिशनर भी हूँ एंड मैं एक मॉम भी हूँ। एंड ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिसेस इंडिया 2025 बाय दीपाली फडनेस, इसमें मुझे एक प्रेरणा मिली, एक दृढ़ता मिला और एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिला, जहाँ पे सारे जितने भी वुमेन हैं, मैं उनको बताना चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग सब कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं। उनका सब कुछ गोल, उनका जो ड्रीम है, उनका जो सपने हैं, सब कुछ वो अचीव कर सकते हैं अगर उन्होंने अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखा, अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखा। वो लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। Thanks, Mrs. Mamta Trivedi, for creating the platform in state level. She is the regional director of Mrs. India Telangana. First, I started with that, and then I went to the national level, which was organized by Mrs. Dipali Fadnes. And thanks to both the ladies for creating that power, creating that strength for all the women, and making us feel that yes, we can achieve our goal. Thank you so much. So definitely, we all women are unstoppable. We have the strength. But there is one push which I got from my family, from my husband, my in-laws, my daughter. They pushed me to achieve my goal. My husband always tells me, you go, you achieve your goal. I'm always beside you. I'm always by your side. Rock solid with all the strength and the grace and the power. And I want to thank my family member because of their belief, because of their confidence, because of their push. I'm here today. ये पहली बार मैंने तेलंगाना स्टेट में पहले स्टेट लेवल को रिप्रेजेंट किया। नाउ इन December 21st 2025 मैंने नेशनल लेवल पे रिप्रेजेंट किया। 2025 एक्चुअली 6 months का मेरा जर्नी है, so it was a rigorous effort of 6 months, but then the fireside of 5 days, back to back rounds like corporate round, Hawaiian round, poolside, then the talent round, national costume round, where I represented myself as a woman who can actually carry the heritage, and also the woman who can actually fulfill her career and dream. Like that is the whole purpose. Like I believe in beauty with purpose. So where this beauty pageant gave me a purpose and also gave me a wing to my career, which I was already there as a fitness and wellness coach. So I want to spread the awareness. I want to be the voice. I want to be the representative and the role model, where I want to showcase to all the women that they are unstoppable. They should not be thinking, even after my post-pregnancy, my weight went up to 84 kg. And I was suffering from endometriosis, hormonal issues, C-section, and I was not able to handle myself. That's when this fitness came to my rescue. Physiologically, psychologically, I came down from 84 to 52. Now standing here and representing my state and representing in the national level that yes, women are unstoppable if they think and they have the determination that they can do anything. So please never ever give up on your goal. Be very, very consistent, whatever you have thought. Because of the Fitter, I'm currently working as fitness and nutrition consultant with Fitter, which is an online platform. And now I'm coaching people on the clinical nutrition side, even PCOD, cholesterol, diabetic, hypertension, all these lifestyle diseases. I want to show them that yes, their kitchen is the power. They don't have to go to rush to the hospital every now and then. Their kitchen, their home can be the power which can turn them to a fit and healthy life. I would like to start it as a story. So it started from 2012 when I got married. Everybody used to tell me that, okay, being a girl, you should not do this, you should not walk like this, you should not dance, you should not do this. Then I got married to a family where they told me that you are unstoppable. Who told you to stop? Who told you not to do anything? My in-laws, my father-in-law, Mr. Kalikanta Das, my mother-in-law, Mrs. Mamta Das, and my biggest supporter is my husband, Mr. Devi Prasad. They told me, you are unstoppable. You have the potential. You have that working with EPAM Systems, which is a European MNC. And then I got promoted to senior HR business partner. I was excelling in my career. For 10 years, I was a corporate employee. Then we moved to UAE, Dubai. And there also I was working as a HR professional. And then something struck me. In 2015, I got the bestest gift of my life, my daughter. And after that, the postpartum, all my C-section, all my endometriosis, hormonal issues, I was like 84 kg. I felt that, oh my God, if I can't hold my daughter for 5 seconds, then why I brought her to this world? I can't even do anything. That's when that stuck to me, because I have always grown seeing the woman after pregnancy, after giving birth to the child. Everybody tell them that this is how you have to live. This is how your life is. Then I changed that. I took that like strength in me. Like, yes, I want to stand up for my daughter. I want to make myself proud that she is my mom. Then my journey, fitness journey started from 84 kg to 52, where the doctor also told me that for your hormone, you have to do the surgery, where I told I don't need a surgery. Let me do it with fitness, nutrition, and the strength training, where I came down from 84 to 52 kg and got rid of all the hormonal issues. Then from 2020, I changed my career from HR to fitness. And now I have already proud coach of 2,200 people across the globe, where they also come and tell me that, Sudipta, this life is like whatever life we are getting, it is because of you. Because of you, we are able to face the camera. Now, because of you, we can click a picture and show it to the world. Like, yes, we are also unstoppable, which gave me more power. Then something stuck to me in 2024, that there is something I can do. Yes, I have got some reach to the people, spreading awareness of fitness and wellness. But then I thought, let me be the voice of fitness and wellness. Let me be the torch bearer for the fitness and wellness. And then that's when I reached out to Mrs. India Telangana, which was organized by Mamta Trivedi, who is the regional director of Mrs. India Telangana. Then I participated in Jan 2025. Then after that, after winning in state level, then I thought, no, I should not stop at the state level. I should go to the national pageant, which happened in December 21st, 2025 by Dipali Fadnas. And thanks to both the ladies, Dipali Fadnas is the director of Mrs. India. And those two ladies have shown the world that yes, the girls are unstoppable. And that crown, the invisible crown, whatever we are wearing every single day, that actually push us. And with this journey, it is all about the family support, my friends, my like colleagues, my daughter, my in-laws, every single person. Whenever I feel that, can I do it? Should I do it? Maybe I'll fail. They always stand by my side. Yes, you may fail, but you also will learn. And I always believe in the philosophy that you will never fail. It is either you succeed or you will learn. That's what I always believe. There is nothing called as failure. Either you will learn something or you will succeed in your life. That's what the motto of my life. And I want to be the torch bearer. I want to be that voice where people can come and tell me that, yes, because of me, they have achieved their fitness and wellness goal and they are fit today.
Namaste all, very good afternoon. First of all, thank you so much to all of you for taking time from a busy schedule. My name is Devi Prasad Das. I'm an HR professional and I work with one of the leading healthcare organizations in India. I'm also an HR influencer. And I'm so privileged and honored to be sitting beside my life partner, the winner of runners-up category in Mrs. India, Ms. Sudipta Das, who is my wife, my better half. It's always a privilege, when we as a family can make a difference. And I believe, if I have to define Sudipta, I will say as, is someone, who has a dream, a desire, a dedication, determination and discipline. So if I have to talk about all of this in one person, I think that's what she comes to my mind, and that's what she is. I think she was in a position, if I talk about a 6 months journey, which I have closely witnessed, is how resilient she was in terms of putting all her efforts, and she was in a position to apply her thoughts, introspect her performance, endure new modes, challenge the limit, and make a difference. And making it big, not only managing, because a woman wears multiple hats, maybe at office, maybe at home, and her profession has been multifolded. She is a fitness coach, she is a clinical nutritionist, she is a martial arts practitioner, she used to manage and take care of her house, take care of our daughter, handle me, of course, because I'm not an easy one to handle, right? So take care of everything at one, and at the end of the day, also ensure that bringing a purpose to life, and that is beyond home. It's getting to the community, going to the society, transforming lives of more than 2,000 people globally, and giving them a new version of themselves. So I think it takes a lot of courage, conviction, and I always believe a horse without the hoop nails can only jump, it can't gallop. A Brahmin without a sacred thread can't qualify to be a priest. So I think I could not be Devi Prasad without the support of Sudipta. So I'd like to owe it to you for being that kind, supported partner, and also giving me the suggestion, and also helping us as as one family, as oneness, so that we are able to contribute positively together to the society as a whole. So thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sudipta Dash, a XLRI graduate, a fitness coach, a martial art practitioner, and a dotting mom. And here, standing as Mrs. India 2025 runner-up, gives me the purpose of spreading the fitness and wellness awareness and spreading the women empowerment. Yes, the women are unstoppable. They can achieve anything and everything in their life. And that is the motto I will definitely drive and be a role model for this and be a torchbearer for that.
So what is how many rounds will be successful at this event, and what is the support for your fans?
Yes. So Mrs. India 2025, we had multiple rounds, around actually 15 to 16 round, where it included corporate wear round, talent round, national costume. So in the national costume, I represented myself as half heritage look and half as a corporate suit. To wanted to share that yes, the woman can be anything and handle both everything and balance it as well. Like handling the career, handling the heritage, being a homemaker, being a corporate employee, anything and everything women can achieve. And all those rounds actually created that perseverance, the resilience, and that strength, and gave me that complete output, like how a person can shape herself and shape that complete perspective of their own self. And my family had an amazing role in this, and without them, it was not at all possible. Especially my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my husband, my daughter, they stood by my side. Whenever I felt little bit low, or I felt that if I have any doubt whether I could do it, whether I will be able to face this, they're always by my side, pushing me, telling me that, Mama, you are unstoppable. From where you have achieved this much of result, definitely you can rock the stage. And my daughter, on the finale day, the finale went up to 5 a.m. in Jaipur, Jaibag Palace, where the temperature was 8 to 9 degrees. And my daughter was awake till 5 a.m. with all this fog and everything. She was superbly excited. And I feel that this is what is like I achieved. And this is what I want to show the world, that yes, everything can be possible.
So what is the given the sort of more than women will be not in the suffering for indigence, and so what is the given suggestion for come to our women?
Yes, so definitely I would love to share my thought that women, whoever is facing any kind of health issues, whether it is PCOD, PCOS, infertility, whether cholesterol, diabetic, hypertension, and they feel that, okay, there is nothing, they cannot rewind this, or they cannot go back to the fit and healthy lifestyle. I want to show them that yes, everything is there in their own kitchen, with a small lifestyle change, with a small exercise, and giving them some little bit of time. That's when they can create the difference. They don't have to have a fancy equipment. They don't have to go to a fancy gym or have a fancy food. With the home cooked food, with the home cooked normal meal, they can do the wonders. Just they need to also spare some time for themselves. They need to take care of themselves.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.